Today I'm going to share with you guys two most important things: how to keep your hybrid battery, in a good shape as long as possible. I haven't been recording for a little while. I can see my channel growing slowly but steady. Thank you for those who subscribed already. If you are new, please hit subscribe button and support me. Thank you. I've been busy with a Rufus taxis. By the way, if you live in Bristol or surrounding areas of Bristol and you're looking for a reliable taxi driver, you can book me directly through Rufus. Visit www.rufus.taxi. My driver's number is free. Book me and I'm gonna take care about you. Thank you guys. Finally, amazing weather in the UK. At the moment it's 23 plus and supposed to be maybe 25. That's amazing. Every people are happy in the UK, walking with their shorts, eating ice creams like me, and driving cars with open windows, open sunroofs. Amazing. But to drive with open windows in a hot weather, is it good for your hybrid battery? And the answer is definitely no. Guys, what does battery likes to do? Hybrid battery, they do like overheat. That's why they do have those air intake vents to cool it. And here we go. First most important thing is to keep your First most important thing for you is to keep your hybrid battery filter clean. And how to do it on a Lexus ES300 hybrid, check a link in the description. I have a video about it. Second most important thing to keep your battery in a good shape: shut your windows during the hot weather. Switch on your aircon. If your aircon is faulty, it could be a little bit expensive to fix it, but it's cheaper than to change a hybrid battery. Here we go. You've got two most important tips how to keep your hybrid battery in a good shape. If you enjoy a video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, and I'll see you shortly. Thank you guys. Thumbs up, always in a good mood, always in a good mood, always positive. See you shortly.